That may not. Obviously, I did not at the time. So what you need to do, in order to earn referral fee, you have to do the basic screening. You don't have to just call your friend, formally dressed in front of inside a cafe and then do a formal interview. You don't have to do that. What you have to do is to ask a friend, the candidate, a few questions. Do you have this, sector's experience? Have you done this before? Do you have a degree, for example? Do you have a degree? Okay. Some of the requirements later on I will share with you. Some of the requirements are not so-called must-have requirements. If you do not have the requirement, please do not refer as simple as that. Some of the requirements are an advantage, preferred, ideal. Okay. Then there is flexibility for you to refer a candidate who might not meet this particular requirement, but at the same time they are quite, they meet maybe 75% of the other requirements. You can still refer a candidate. But at least you look at some of these things. For example, some of them are pretty intangible, but then again, a degree is very straightforward. You look at the CV, you ask your friend whether they have a degree. He or she has a degree in engineering. Okay, whether they have 3 years, around plus or minus 3 years experience in structural design calculation. Okay, AutoCAD, for example. Must be a self-starter who is able to work within minimum supervision. This one is quite subjective. So, if it is for me, then I won't look into it too much. Okay, because different recruiters, they put in different requirements. But of course, you look into the ones that you can measure and are more tangible. Okay, a degree, 3 years of experience, knowledge in a particular software or hardware, this kind of thing. Okay. Some require professional accreditation, accountant, ACCA, CPA, etc. Those are so-called must-have requirements. So you just tick, you click on it, okay, and then you submit. Okay, we look at the next page.